हाँ.
Hello students, welcome to all of you in practical session. So in last week our theory syllabus was completed. So now as per university rules and regulation we are going to start or we are particularly talk about practical session because due to this pandemic situation we suffer from this total situation and therefore the offline practical classes should not possible now. So as per instruction of our principal sir, we are going to say now the practical session and in today's session, so I will generally introduce about different practicals and the marks distribution in today's lecture. So there are mainly the two kind of sections are present in practical section A and the section B. So in section A, there are the general mammalian physiology. Okay. So in general mammalian physiology, the first practical is about detection of urea, albumin, sugar, and creatine. Okay. Detection section A and the section B. So in first section, general mammalian physiology, there is a detect first practical is about detection of urea, albumin, sugar, and creatine. So you have to given the sample unknown sample and you have to determine from that sample either in that sample there is a urea present or albumin present or sugar and the creatine, and in next lecture we will study about this, that is the first practical detection of urea, albumin, sugar and creatine. Then second one in the section B, there is a applied zoology, that is application of zoology for the human welfare, all of you know that very well, and physiology, the study of body organs and functions of the organ called the physiology, or the study of life processes that take place in the body of organism, that is a physiology. Okay. So then in case of the applied zoology, there is a first practical is about identification of amino acids by the paper chromatography. Okay. Identification of amino acids. In section A there are the different practicals, but I will now particularly talk about my syllabus because the some remaining practical or some half part of the practical session will be conducted by Dr. Ambedkar sir, our HOD. Okay, Dr. Ambedkar, Department HOD of Department of Zoology. So half practical syllabus will be conducted by Dr. Ambedkar sir, and half practical session on half part of the syllabus of this practical taken by me. So then identification of amino acids by paper chromatography. Then next about biostatistics. Okay, biostatistics. So this biostatistics here, in case of in theory also you have to studied about very well, that is a mean, mode and median, and the application of statistics for the human welfare or the various aspect of the statistics related with the organism, that is a biostatistics, and these biostatistics are very important for the experimentation and the research also. So biostatistics, so this practical also taken by me also students. Okay, and then distributions of the marks distribution for the practical. So listen now, you have to focus here. First practical, first experiment is physiological experiment, and you have to compulsory perform this experiment, that is detection of urea, albumin, sugar and creatine. So out of these four factors, you in exam anyone will be asked. Okay, or either urea or albumin or whatever it may be. Then second practical, this physiology experiment consists of this practical detection of urea, albumin, sugar and creatine for the will be asked for the 5 marks. Then second, identification and comments on the spots. So here three slides from the mammalian histology section and three spots. So this part will be conducted by our sir, okay, Ambedkar sir, and this will ask for 3 marks. Then micro technique. So micro technique here, section cutting, spreading and hematoxylin eosin staining of given slide. H stand for, these are the two stain, and what are the stain, all of you know that very well. Hemat stain, biological material are deep in the stain, but particularly which are very clearly visible in that in that particular stain. So hematoxylin eosin staining method. So which will be asked for the 5 marks. Then next one, dissection of fish, or in case of dissection from some few years, this dissection was totally banned, but in case of in these questions there is a draw available diagram of particularly endocrine glands of fish or digestive system of the fish. Okay, So you have to only draw a diagram here in case of dissection of fish. So this is for the 5 marks again. And then retrieval of specific literature from the given information. Retrieval of specific literature from given information. What are about this? So I will take one particular topic to all students. Means topic will be different to student to student. There is a, and just for example, there is a human genome project or the data analysis or DNA analysis of the mice, DNA analysis of the rabbit, rat, DNA fingerprinting of the human being, then human genome sequence of the mice, comparative anatomy or comparative sequence of the mice and man. Okay, such kind of, then protein sequence. So such kind of the one particular topic given to students, and you have to collect the information from the internet and to remove the printout, and that printout will be submitted at the time of examination. And then this is a retrieval of the specific literature from the given information. This again I will take that. And then analysis of the given biostatistical data from this section, such as you have to determine the mean, mode, median from 3 factors. One will be asked for the 2 marks. And then question number 7, submission of slides and to report. You have to submit the slides in case of this microtechnique section, but students, due to this pandemic conditions and pandemic situation, this part now submission of the slides and to report will be skipped now, because now due to this present situation this should not possible, and therefore this marks only for the this marks will be given by students. Submission of certified practical record. So submission of certified practical record for the 3 marks. So I will upload one PDF of practical literature, and you have to from that practical literature write down the practicals in a proper sequence. Okay, so this is for the 3 marks. And then last one about viva work at the time of practical examination. You have to focus on this viva, because the external or internal examiner will be asked some questions, and this is a viva for the 5 marks. And in this way the total marks distribution generally about 30 marks. So this is a marks distribution of our practical section, practical examination. So please you have to focus here, study it, and in case of any queries and difficulties, so contact with our group also, or personally contact with faculties. So thank you very much. And next lecture I will taken about this practical, that is a detection of urea, albumin, sugar, and the creative students. So this is our marks distribution, and this such kind of practical will be taken by me, and remaining practical will conduct by our sir. So thank you very much for this today's lecture session. Thank you.